Hi there, welcome back to this issue of Inspiration Moments. Now we're going to discuss the Dori Recommends. Well, this month I have a special treat for you because we are starting the brand new series of Recipes for Success, Volume 2. As you're well aware, last year I did 10 modules, which were Volume 1 in Recipes for Success. Now, this training program is designed for team members. I went through 10 different strategies last year to help your team improve their performance. And we had such great reviews that I decided to continue and do Volume 2. Because one of the biggest challenges you guys have is actually coming up with your own training material. So what we're doing here is we're making your life easier, and all you have to do is let your team listen or watch the webinar. I'm doing them all on Zoom, so they can either watch, listen, download the audio, or actually read, because you get a transcript out of it. So there is no excuse. We're targeting all learning styles, so no matter what, they can get the information. So the good way to do this for you and your team is to set up a meeting. As a matter of fact, I use Dr. Lehman as an example for their success. Well, what they do is they set up a monthly meeting where their team actually sits down and watch the Recipes for Success, and you need to do the same thing. Once your team gets that information, then your responsibility is implementation. You need to take the important information and see how you can apply it in your business so you can truly step into the 7 millions. I have to say, if you don't take the time to train your team, you're not going to be able to reach the goals you want, because no matter how hard you work, it takes an entire team to gain results. So I want to encourage you, if you're not part of our membership yet, you definitely need to sign up, because once you arm your team with the tools that they need, you're going to be on a totally different level of success. I guarantee you that. So this module, the one that's coming up, we're going to be talking about how to improve team and management communication. Communication is one of the most important things within your Medi-Spa or spa. So what I'm going to be sharing with you is the different behavioral styles, how we actually react to our managers as a team member, and what is the best way to communicate with our managers, what's the best way to communicate between each other as a team, and what's the best way to communicate with our guests. When we perfect our communication style, we will have long and lasting relationships. And when it comes to business, trust and building relationships is one of the most important things. That plays a direct reflection on your retention rate. So when people walk into our place, if they see that we are one big happy family, we have positivity all around us, they're going to be drawn to that, and they're going to want to come back over and over. So communication is key. So join me for that module, and I'm going to share with you some great communication tips to really help you improve how you behave and how you act and how you communicate with your manager, your leaders, and your clients, and each other. So don't miss it. Join me. I'd love to help you. So stay tuned for the special of the month. Until next time, stay inspired.